Good morning and welcome to another Fun Friday video from 303 Tech. I'm Clint Larson. Hey, today we're going to be talking about some changes within Microsoft. And no, it's not about the stores closing because we talked about that already, but Microsoft has made some adjustments in their voice licensing. Yes, Microsoft actually does have a VoIP system to make audio calls. They've got conferencing bridges, they've got video conferencing through Teams. I'm sure you're familiar with some of that stuff. But they also have voice calling capabilities. So what that means is you can actually utilize your existing phone number. You can port the number into their phone system and then utilize their infrastructure for your phones. Now the reason why this is something new is because they've recently adjusted the licensing, and so now for $20 per person you can now have a phone number, phone line, take calls, do video conferencing, do audio conferencing. All this is bundled into one license package as well as all your domestic calling. So I don't know what you guys are paying now for your VoIP system or your phone system at $35 or $45 or $55 per line, but now you can get it through Microsoft, integrated with your Teams, integrated with your Outlook, all for $20 a month, as well as all your audio conferencing and stuff, so you can get rid of the web apps and the Zoom and whatever else you might be using. So just wanted to give you guys that update. It has some really cool features like auto attendance and call queues, and it's a full-blown automated VoIP solution. So and for $20 a month, that's pretty dang cheap, especially when you throw in the audio conferencing and everything else. So anyway, if you want to learn more, just let us know. Give us a call, follow us, like us, whatever. Anyway, hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and if you guys need anything, we're here for you. Thank you.